My dear brothers and sisters, I am Dr. Shanaz Naeem and I convey my regards to all of you. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss a very important lesson, very important topic. Being a Muslim, all of us learn to recite Quran Pak in our childhood. Many of us may went to some mosque with some Qari Sahib, some ulma, and sometimes the ulmas came in our house to teach Quran Pak, and sometimes we learn from our elders. As the time passes, how many of us are sure that what we are pronouncing or reciting is with the true spirit as the Quran Pak to be recited? Actually, Quran Pak is in Arabic language and Arabic is not our native language. It has 29 alphabets and every alphabet is pronounced or originated from different articulation points. Some are visible, some are not visible. And some articulation points may generate more than one alphabets, and some of the alphabets sounds alike. And if we unknowingly pronounce the same alike alphabet sounds for other one, it may change the meaning of the word, even the whole verse, and unknowingly we commit the major mistakes which are haram. And none of us would like to commit such mistakes knowingly. In this lesson, we will just have an overview that what in Quran Pak is told regarding the recitation of Quran Pak, and what our Holy Messenger Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, on whom this holy book was revealed from Allah Ta'ala, what he is saying regarding the recitation rules of Quran Pak. Let us learn, understand the verse number 121 from Suratul Baqarah Madaniyah with its translation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم سورة البقرة مدنية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به فأولئك هم الخاسرون صدق الله خالقنا العظيم.
Translation: Those to whom we have given the book and they recite it observing the rites of its recitation, they are the ones who believe in it, and those who disbelieve in it, they are the losers. So in Surah Al-Baqarah Madaniyah, verse 121, it is clearly advised that Quran Pak should be recited as its right way with full accuracy, and to recite the Quran Pak with full accuracy is an apparent, clear, distinct evidence of believers. In Quran Pak, it is also advised in Surah Al-Muzzammil, verse 4, وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا, that Quran Pak should be recited clearly and slowly. Ibn Kasir, a Jayyid alim of Islam, also wrote in his tafsir that Quran Pak should be recited slowly and clearly. It gives the proper understanding and thoughtfulness of the meanings of the Quran. Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu teaches the Muslims the meanings of Tarteel. He told that Tarteel is reciting Quran Pak with Tajweed. Tajweed means it is a scientific group of rules and regulations to recite the Quran. And if we recite properly, it means that we are using or implementing these rules and regulation in Tajweed, in reciting the Quran Pak. Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu also teaches the Muslims that how we can stop, pause an ayat which is not yet incompleted, and how we end one verse. If we want to master ourselves to recite the Quran Pak with Tajweed and Tarteel, we must have the knowledge of these scientific rules and regulations and its understanding and our capability to use these rules and regulations during recitation. The most valuable, beneficial learning to recite the Quran Pak is to use carefully, is to recite or pronounce carefully the language and use of mind and heart at the same time. When we produce the different Arabic alphabets, which are 29 in number, and each alphabet produces from its articulation points, and some articulation points produce more than one alphabets, and some alphabets having the sounds alike sounds. So it is very important to carefully pronounce the letters, words, and recitation of the Quran, and our mind will interpret, understand. Our heart will keep its instruction, guidance, and warnings as a moral messages. Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu narrated that the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that among you, the best persons are those who learn themselves the accurate recitation of Quran and teaches to others. And it is an obligatory act for all Muslims to recite the Quran with the true spirit as Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam recites. Inshallah, in our coming lessons, we will go to learn how these alphabets, Arabic alphabets, are produced and from which articulation point which alphabet is produced, and how we can differentiate between the same sounds alphabets. If you yet did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like it, and share it with your family members and friends so that most of the persons, Muslims, can be benefited from these lessons. Thank you very much. Till the next lesson. Khuda Hafiz.